I was on my way to a car fest when I heard a sound no car guy would ever want to hear. Then I could hear a deep knocking sound coming straight from the heart of my 5MGE 1981 Supra. Oh, how much I love this car. The 5MGE, my first love. I took care of her, regular oil change, perfect cooling system. As you can see, this is a stainless steel radiator system. But still, even when you try to do everything right, something still managed to go wrong. Why is that? The knocking sound meant something, either a bottom rear end damage. Oh man, I've cooked my engine. But instead of giving up, I started planning the comeback for my Supra. First option, I've got the 1JZ GTE VVTi, a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine, strong, reliable, and ready to scream. Or maybe go 2JZ GE VVTi, 3.0 liters of smooth power, easy swap, and ready for later boosts. So it's basically two parts, one dream to bring my Supra back stronger and reliable. So every knock sound you hear has a story. Sometimes it's the beginning of a new chapter.